Honey, my best friend, my cheerleader, and my future. You have made me the happiest man on earth today by agreeing to share your life with me. I thank God that He gave me you. I thank God na ikaw unang nag-message sa akin ng high school. Kasi if not, hindi tayo mag-meet.
Han, never in my wildest dream did I imagine that we would get married here in Maldives. In this dreamy paradise. Well, it wasn't the plan A, B, C, D until Z. We got through a lot of those, but God surprised us, and it's always better and greater than our plans.
You are the reason why I am a better person now. You bring colors in my life. Kaya lagi ako naka-black. Because I don't need any colors. Because you're my colors.
And well, everything just seems so uncertain right now. Our original wedding being postponed so many times, and the change of venues, suppliers. The only thing that I'm certain about is marrying you. My high school sweetheart, my college lover, and my partner in crime. I can't believe that 15 years had passed. Time flies so fast when you feel love and when you love. I will continue to love you again and again because loving you never feels old. It feels like our high school days, college days, the LDR days were just like a year back and not a long time ago. After 15 years, it led us to the moment right here. Our loved ones may not be here, but when all of this, like the pandemic, travel ban are all over, we will get to have our third wedding, which will be more special because we'll say I do in the church in front of like Mama, Papa, Mommy, Tita Marian, all of the people that we love.
I will marry you kahit ilang beses pa. I will open all the containers na hindi mo kayang i-open. I will fix all the things na needs to be fixing. I will always prepare great coffee every morning kahit instant coffee man yun. I will try to make you laugh kahit dito jokes na sinasabi ko. I will always be your BFF when it comes to chismis. Even if I'm sleepy, I will always listen to your stories. Hashtag spill the thesis.
I love that you respect my family and that you love my parents and my family so much. Know that my family loves and appreciates you too. You are rare and hard to find.
Together, we will travel the world and explore lahat ng gusto natin because you will be my wife. Even though there's some challenges and trials, we will face it together and with God. I will always be your cheerleader, the rope or ladder if needed, and I will always love you for eternity.
You are above and beyond. I'm so thankful to God because I get to spend the rest of my life with you. I can't believe the things, I can't promise you the things will always be perfect. And I can promise you that we will only have 5 dogs. But I vow to continue to care for you when you are beyond exhausted from work. To create a home full of laughter and dogs. To cheer you on your passion and to experience all that life has to offer. And to love you with everything that I have. I love you.
May I ask you, Ryan, do you accept Mia as your wedded wife?
I do.
Mia, do you accept Ryan as your wedded husband?
I do.
I now proclaim Ryan and Mia as man and wife. Now you may kiss them.
For the second time.
Love you.
I feel like there might be something that I miss. Hopelessly, I feel like the window closes oh so quick. Hopelessly, I'm taking a mental picture of you now. 'Cause hopelessly, the hope is we have so much to feel good about. Oh, this has gotta be the good life. Gotta be the good life. Really be the good life. Good life. I say you get this feeling that you can't fight. Like the city is on fire tonight. This could really be a good life. A good life.